Pretty good flex demo for 8s.
Height and getting it right, it was tight.
Oh yeah, for sure.
My name is Jason Warlock, and I've got a 4 CT Sound Miso 8s on the Smart 3 base.
Okay.
Wired at 1.
Okay, nice. Have you done any kind of tuning or SPL tests on it?
I haven't really got a number on it, but the tuning is around, I mean, I would say probably around, I'll play anywhere from like 30 to 40. I don't really have like an exact tuning on it.
Okay.
The box was kind of thrown together for the show.
Okay. Do you know how big the box is?
After displacement, 3.5, 3.5.
All right. And your battery alternator power?
Stock alt actually.
Okay.
But
do you want me to close the trunk?
Yeah. But I've got a down for sound LTO 6.0 in the back just to help with battery reserve.
Okay. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Nice. Six and a half?
8s.
Oh, the 8. Okay.
CT Sound Misos.
Got it. Okay. Nice. Looks good. What? You're tight space for that box.
It
really
was,
tight
when it came
space.
to the height and getting it right, it was tight.
Oh yeah, for sure. All right.
Like 6. What are you? About 6.4.
Same key as me. We had them dancing in the streets. I don't wanna be a one-man band. I don't wanna be a rolling stone alone, putting miles on a rundown van. Maybe we could take our own show on the road. I'll lay down the beat, you carry the tune. We'll get tattoos and we'll dress baby, take my hand. I don't wanna be a one-man band.
Can I get some subflex with the trunk open on half volume? Trunk flex with half volume. Just some subflex. Not all the way up there. You can open the trunk with it low volume. you pop the trunk real quick while it's playing?
I've got it popped already.
Oh, okay. Appreciate it, man. Nice to meet you, man. Yeah, thanks for watching. Pretty good flex demo for 8s.